Okay, so while the prawn pulao or the prawn biryani or the prawn chawal is getting ready, 15 minutes to cook, we're going to start off making the clams or the mussels or the what is called tisra. Okay?
तीसरा मसाला
तीसरा मसाला. तो ये फ्रेश है?
फ्रेश है.
अच्छा.
फ्रेश है.
और बाजार में ऐसे ही मिलते हैं?
हाँ,
ऐसे ही?
ऐसे नहीं, वो अभी अपन ये ऐसे मिलते हैं, ऐसे मिलते हैं.
ऐसे?
हाँ.
तो क्लोज रहते हैं ना, बंद रहते हैं ना?
बंद रहते हैं.
तो आप फिर साफ करते हैं इसको?
हाँ, इसको साफ करते हैं.
ठीक है, आप दिखाइए कैसे साफ करते हैं कि ऐसे खोलने का. ओके. So what she's doing is that with a knife, she is prying the shells open. The flesh is on one side. So this is the shell. The flesh is on one side of the shell with a little bit of waste material which she's cleaning out, and then this shell is being discarded, and the shell with the flesh is being retained. मैं try करूँ क्या?
देखिए आपको
देखता हूँ ना, मेरे को जमता है क्या? इसमें डालूंगा, इसमें डालूंगा. ओह ऐसे. आप ही करो. तो ये जब तीसरे हम लोग मार्केट से लाते हैं तो उनको पहला बॉईल नहीं करना पड़ता ना, डायरेक्टली ऐसा खोल के साफ करने का.
हाँ, इसमें से ऐसे दोनों का एक साथ मिल करके ये हो गया साफ.
ये हो गया साफ. सुपर. सो हियर वी आर. We've got the clams or mussels completely clean. These are the clean ones over here, and this is what is going to be thrown away. Now we're going to make tisra masala. Okay, so for the tisra masala, we've taken a tawa or a kadhai kind of thing. तो सूखा बनने वाला है ये.
हाँ, मसाला तीसरे मसाला
सूखा वाला. Okay, lovely. We're starting with oil. We're waiting for the oil to get really nice and hot, and now we've got finely chopped onion. The idea is to put lots of onions so that we get a lot of masala. Since it's a dry dish and there is no other gravy to this, this is going to form the base for the tisra. Ginger garlic. So the green chili and coriander paste, also a spoon of that in that. So the green chili and coriander paste is a common ingredient in a lot of the koli cooking. Pinch of turmeric, haldi,
masala,
and the inevitable koli masala.
1.5 चमचा.
So this is dry coconut and onion which is being roasted and then made into a paste. टाकू सगळं?
नहीं सर, जास्त होईल.
Just a couple of spoons of that. 1 full tomato, finely chopped. Salt. What we're getting now is a really nice thick oniony tomato masala. Okay, so you cover it and kitni 10 minutes?
10 मिनिटं ठेवायचं.
Okay, 10 minutes the masala needs to cook because remember everything is raw in there. Okay, so this masala is
पाणी
cooked.
टाकायचं, गरम पाणी.
A little drop of water. So the tomatoes are cooked, the onions are cooked, and above all, most importantly, the masalas are cooked. And the tisra have gone into the masala. So you put the shells at the end and now cook this for another 10 minutes. Okay, so the tisra has been cooking for 10 minutes. Final touches, just a little bit of garam masala on top. Okay, so the prawn pulao is ready, the tisra are ready. Now all that's left is the last dish, which is the mushi keema. Well, okay, if you think that I'm now posing for the final sequence of Jaws, I'm not. This is a baby shark or what is called mushi, and the next dish is the mushi keema. So the the baby shark or the mushi is boiling in water for 10 minutes so that it's cooked completely and becomes soft, and then I suppose then keema karala sopa padel, no?
हो शिजवलं.
Then you can make keema of it simply. 10 minutes.
ही आपली मुशी शिजलेली आहे.
Okay, so the fish is cooked. Now we're smashing up the flesh to make the keema, and then the center bone will easily come out. So this is a chutney which is made out of green chilies, coriander, desiccated coconut, and a little bit of limbu
लिंबू.
and garlic.
हाँ, थोडीशी garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
थोडी हळद टाकायची, जास्त नाही.
Salt. No red chili powder.
गरम मसाला.
Only garam masala. Now she's blending all this with her fingers. Now remember, since it's a mushi keema, the flesh is going to be like a mince. So this is literally turning into a sort of mince mixed with this wonderfully flavored green masala. This is literally like a fish chutney. Now oil in a pan. No ginger garlic paste, just very, very finely chopped couple of cloves of garlic.
थोडासा बारीक चिरलेला हा कांदा.
Very little onion, chopped onion. And in goes the
Okay.
keema and the chutney and everything all. Okay, so 10 minutes and this keema will be absolutely ready.